Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today is week 3 of the Quarantine Cooking at Home with Me series that's being hosted by 2 of my beautiful YouTube sisters, Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner and This and That with Denise Jordan. And to back them up, the Sister Circle will be sharing beautiful, delicious meals during this time that we're going through. Now, the meal that I'm preparing this week, I really don't have a name for it. I'm just gonna call it the Italian bake. It's a mixture of things that I just had in my home that I put together. And I must say it turned out very well, very delicious, and my family's asking for it again. So let me share with you what I've done. So here are the ingredients that I will be using for my pasta bake, my Italian pasta bake. Not too many ingredients. This is what I had on hand. I did not go to the store, and this is something that I am just creating out of my own pantry and refrigerator and freezer. I'm using Italian sausage and ground beef, tomato sauce and Alfredo sauce. I'm using a rigatoni pasta that I had on hand. You can use any pasta, it will do. I had some leftover ricotta cheese. I have a bag of mozzarella cheese, and I will look in my refrigerator for more cheeses. But for now, I'm going to get my water to boiling. I usually add a couple of drops of vegetable oil to make sure that the pasta does not stick, and I'm seasoning with salt the water. As you can see, I have a frying pan to the side with my Italian sausage, getting ready to brown it as well. Now that my water is boiling, let's add this pasta. And let's get this to going. I'm not following the box, the direction on the box. I'm going to cook this pasta for 6 minutes, exactly 6 minutes, because I do not want to cook it fully per box directions, because it's going to cook in the oven when I stick this dish in the oven. 6 minutes, guys. Now we are continuing to brown our Italian sausage. As the sausage is browning, my pasta is done. So I am draining the pasta and also rinsing it with cold water. And I will add a baking spray to my baking pan, and then I will add the pasta into this pan. Are you liking what you see so far? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family. Now I'm going to combine all my meats together, the Italian sausage, the ground beef, and then I'm going to add my sauce, my tomato sauce. But wait, I'm going to throw something else in here. I'm going to add my Alfredo sauce in with this mixture here. By adding the Alfredo sauce, it takes it up to another level. It is so delicious by mixing these two sauces together. Again, this was all I had in my pantry. So I'm stirring it very well to combine everything. So right now I'm going to add a little more seasoning to this. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. So I'm going to let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I will add it to my pasta. Right here you see me adding some Parmesan cheese as well as some ricotta cheese, and I'm going to mix that together. Then I'm going to top all of this off with the mozzarella cheese. And to add a little pretty on top, I'm going to sprinkle it with some parsley. And this is how it looks before I place it in the oven. I will place it in the oven on 350 for about 30 to 35 minutes. And guys, this is how it looks when it comes out of the oven. It looks so good. Getting ready to plate it up so you can see how it looks. What I paired with this pasta bake, I had garlic bread and some corn. Look at there. Look at the cheese. OMG. And my family mentioned it was like eating at Olive Garden, guys. It was good. Very easy to put together. This is something I created. And I hope you give it a try in your home. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the dish that I prepared this week. Again, it was delicious. I would like to thank Kenya and Denise for again hosting this series, this quarantine cooking at home with me series, because I'm enjoying the playlist each week, and you need to go check the playlist every week out for some inspirational recipes. So thank you, ladies, so much. And we will be coming back to you for 2 more weeks. We decided to extend it an extra week, so you will get 2 more meals. Again, please go check the playlist out. It will be linked in my description box down below, as well as our hostesses. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed, and I will see you cooking wise next week. I'll talk to you real soon. Be blessed.